Did you know that affiliate marketing may be the easiest platform for building passive income, especially for beginners? Even if you have no previous online experience, you can start building long-term residual or passive income today. Stick with me, and I will share how I do it, working just minutes a day, and how you can too. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. And as you can see out the window, it's another cold, wintry day. It went down to -12 last night. I've been making money online full time almost since the beginning of the internet. Passive income is what got me started. It's still my driving force today. Now, you may have heard it called recurring or residual income too. It's money that keeps coming in month after month for the sales that you make each day without any additional work. Passive income is how you leverage your time. It's how you get out of the rat race of trading your time for money like you do in a job. It can be your ticket to financial freedom. Thanks to building passive income, I ski most days in the winter and I sail most days in the summer, while most people are stuck at a job. Passive income should be your number one pursuit too. And building passive income is easier than you think. So here's the affiliate marketing platform I'm using for building passive income. I highly recommend it. I've been relying on it for over 4 years now. First though, here's why I love affiliate marketing. You don't have to create products, handle customers, or manage inventory. All you do is recommend products or services that you believe in and earn commissions when people buy them through your link. It takes very minimal time. And with the right affiliate marketing opportunity, like the one I'm going to share with you, you can make big daily commissions and long-term passive income too. It's a simple affiliate marketing business that almost anyone can do. It's all done online and only takes a few hours per week at your convenience. The turnkey marketing system makes it so simple, no setup is required. You'll have access to everything you need to build passive income. Lead capture pages, sales pages, follow-up emails, the techie stuff is done for you. This done-for-you system, combined with the exclusive Fast Start training, is how many people make money their very first day while they're building long-term passive income too. We market 3 high-demand digital products that almost sell themselves and get paid 80% commissions. 80%. You can make $128 passive income per month, month after month, for everyone you refer. That can really add up fast. And you can get paid fast too, every Thursday by direct deposit. As for leveraging your time, I will show you how you can do this in as little as 30 minutes a day. The company will provide you with the best training and support. We hold daily live Zoom calls led by industry leaders, and they are recorded to watch later if you can't be there live. We have a terrific training website and an exclusive social media app where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. Plus, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder about what to do next. If you want to learn more about the platform I recommend for beginners and experienced marketers alike, and you want to start building your passive income today, go to my website at attainmygoals.com/passive.